Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about 3D printing. Our 3D process is about 8 steps. 1. Check the drawing. 2. Arrange production. 3. Laser curing. 4. Clean the workpiece. 5. Secondary curing. 6. Manually clean the surface of the workpiece. 7. Post-processing. 8. Check the workpiece size, surface, etc. These are finished 3D products. 3D processing can not only process complex products, but also the characteristics of low processing and short processing time. Do you have any projects I can help you with?